guys, don't give up yet. The garden is still giving lots of stuff. I'm so excited. I found some eggplant. I'm going to show you what's going on in the garden right now, how there is going to be a redemption story. Just not quite what I thought. Let's go take a look. We have lettuce growing. We have butternut squash that's starting to turn. There's a few of them in here. That's exciting. Pinto beans are drying out nicely on the vine. Here comes some more onions. These are my onions that I grew from seed. They're doing really good. Good size. Good enough. There's also lots of red cherry tomatoes coming on. Save them for soups. Zucchini still coming on the vine. There's some carrots popping through. We're getting some. Look at that beautiful orange in there. There are some ears of corn to be picked. Some beautiful amaranth. Beautiful firecracker. Hot as heck little cute peppers. We also have, though, amongst the weeds, we've got jalapenos. We also have banana peppers. More banana peppers. You just gotta find them. There's also green peppers. They're growing. They're there. They're coming on. They're there. They're growing. And what I was super excited to find, what made me do this video, there's actually eggplant growing. Golly, isn't that a beautiful color? There's a few of them on here because I couldn't even see hiding in the bottom. There's tomatoes turning red even though the leaves are brown. They're there. So you see, my friends, there is hope. We still have time. I'm so excited that I'm finding some things. That eggplant just really got me excited today. Seeing that beauty underneath there that I didn't even know there was blooms going on. So there's still hope. We still have time. Time before the frost hits. Cover them. Turn your sprinkler on in the morning before the sun hits. Let the season keep going as long as we possibly can. So there's hope. There's redeeming love here. I love this.